guys, welcome to HTML5 tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to take a look at comment tag. Actually comment tag is my personally favorite tag actually in HTML because it is useful in all sorts of website development programming languages. It is usable in all sorts of web developing coding. Okay, so let me refresh it. So let me open up my VS Code. So today we are going to take a look at comment tags. So COMMENT.tag. Okay, comment tag does not have a text tag at all. This is comment tag actually. Okay, this is comment tag actually. If you could take a look at it, it is called comment tag. It does not. I think you will all be surprised because it does not have any sorts of text, but it has two syntax for hyphens. Then how can you call it as comment tag? Then what is the use of it actually? Wait a minute, I will show you how it is usable. I'm going to type hi there, can you see me coding? So I have written it. You could see that whatever I am coding it is displaying it in the live preview. So let me copy this text. I had copied it. Let me come. You should come to the center of it actually. So from here 4 places, and from here you need to leave 3 places. So between this 4 hyphen, at the center of this hyphen you need to paste it. So when I am pasting it, you can see that I am pressing live preview also. It is not displaying. Actually the usage of comment tag is for only personal use actually, not for any other users. So whatever you write between this tag will not be displayed into the browser. This tag is only used for personal, for personal knowledge. If I am producing a web page actually, it's a pretty long web page, so I'm going to put this, I'm going to code it on the next day. So what I'm going to do is, I'm opening my image src is equal to, and let me close it with a black slash. You will learn about this image src HTML5 coding in later videos. So if you could see this, I'm going to postpone this coding to next day. If I'm going to do like that, I will need to remind it for me. It's just like a reminder. How if you are going to wake up early morning tomorrow at 4 o'clock, you will keep an alarm. So if tomorrow I'm going to open this coding again, it will give me a reminder. Let me type it. So I'm going to type insert the image file. So I will save it and I will close it. Let me save it. I'm closing this and I'm opening it in the next day. So when I'm opening it, you could see that it's loading. Yeah, it has loaded. Let me open up my command palette, press enter. Actually command palette, but I don't know why it's not loading. Okay, yeah, it has come. You could see that I have added the image folder. You could see it is there, it's blank, and the moment when I see this insert the image file, then only I will get a reminder that, oh yes, yesterday I had left this blank, so let me fill this, and after filling this like this, I will have to delete this. It does not mean that you have to delete it, but it will not be displayed in the browser, so it's just for your own personal reminder. It can be used as. So thanks for watching guys. This is for this video. This is the end of the video guys, so please like, share, subscribe. So let us watch in the next video. See you there guys.